How to become an Intui.Travel affiliate and start earning commissions promoting airport transfers online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote airport transfer services is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the Intui.Travel affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. Intui.Travel is an international platform where travelers can book private transfers from airports, train stations, and ports directly to hotels or other destinations. The service operates in more than 150 countries and thousands of cities worldwide. The platform works with licensed transport companies and offers many vehicle options, from economy shuttles to luxury cars. Travelers can choose their vehicle type, number of passengers, and luggage capacity before booking. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Intui.Travel affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. The affiliate program usually pays around 10% commission per completed transfer booking and includes a 35-day tracking cookie, which means you can still earn a commission if the user books within that period. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone books an airport transfer through your affiliate link on Intui.Travel, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting airport transfers and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliadues.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment so you can start today.